Hi everyone, now I have the Dewalt cordless hammer drill, 18 volts hammer drill, and as you can hear, it's just making the string noise, and of course working with not all the power. I suspect it's a motor fault, but we need to disassemble it. I will start from the I will start from the handle. I think I will unscrew all the screws here, and we will check. Maybe I will be lucky enough to remove it. Just suggestion for you, just put the screws in somewhere in a box or something similar to not lose them. And what I have here, it's a Dewalt sticker here. I will cut it with a utility knife. And it's a model DCH213. And right, remove the handle so you see the motor. And the blade was out. This blade was here. Okay, I'll try to remove this mount button. Okay, the spring. Removing the button here. And now I hope I will be able to remove the housing. I will try to stretch it with a screwdriver. Almost done it. Not that side I want to, but still got it to the point. And what we can see here from the first look, it's definitely the motor is bad. And we need a new motor and the carbon brushes. Okay, I'm just removing the housing. The spring was here, the fat spring is here, the tiny spring is here. This knob is out of nowhere. Okay, and for the motor, to get the motor out, we need to remove this housing. I will disconnect the carbon brushes. As from a carbon brush, we can see that the tool was not working in a good condition, the armature was not working in a good condition. Focus, you can see how the carbon brush is looking. The one carbon brush is almost good, and the second one is bad. And of course you can see to the armature and see that it's really not look good. I can spin it around. It's all dirty, and I think it's shorted, so we need to replace the motor. Now as I told, for the motor we need to remove the housing. And first of all we need to remove the tool holder. Just removing the cap. Then we will find the spring ring inside. And we can try to lift it with a screwdriver. Just spinning it around to get it out. Yep, it's almost out. Now just Trying to push it out. Yep, and sometimes it's not so easy. I will just make the normal view now. Okay, we'll try to take it to the pliers. No, the pliers will not go here. Just cannot grip it. Yep. Now you are mine. Just the spring ring is removed. Now goes the cover, the plate with the ball, just pushing the ball out, taking the plate with the spring. Now removing the housing, I think. Okay, you need to get out of here. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this first. Now there you hold, and if you hold here, so just lifting the housing and trying to take it out. And why are you not getting out? Yep. Now you're out. I made a mess on my table. Okay, housing is out. Now we need to unscrew all the screws here. And of course the cordless drill will help for that. Now it's like a holder here. You need to remove it. Yep, from the one side and from another side. Now we can open the cover here. And all the screws, okay, not all the screws are unscrewed. Forgot about these two screws. And as you can see, all the parts here look really nice. The grease is really nice, so it's no need to disassemble this one. All we need is this motor, and of course we need to replace it. Okay, we had assembled it, and of course I will be back with the assembling video. You can hear the sound. What's the sound when the motor spins? It's the ball bearing here is out, and we will not waste our time to disassemble the motor and change it and so on. We'll just change the motor. Okay, so for now this was only the assemble, and just if you are waiting for assemble, please subscribe to my channel and you will be updated when I will upload the new videos. For now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to press on advertising on the video, and always waiting for your comments or thumbs up. So for now, bye.